where do we go? This way. I'm just gonna follow you. I thought he was like on duty or something working.
He is.
So they did a check. Oh. This shit is dope. There's a lot of people out here.
A lot. Told you, bro.
Palm trees, palm treeing. This shrimp is amazing. So there are a lot of people out here, way more than I expected, to be honest with you. You did tell me, you're right. Palm trees, palm trees. A lot of umbrellas to sit underneath, for sure. Let's see, trying to get close to the water. Why is there like different sections, like ropes and stuff like that? I don't know. Is it like this is our section of the beach or something like that?
I mean, nobody's stopping us from going over to that side. I don't know why not stopping. Maybe it's just for people to hold on in the water so they don't drown. It's like a courtesy line.
It could be. That's weird. But anyway, this looks pretty dope. So all we did was come out of the bottom floor of the hotel, walk through the umbrellas onto the sand. We're not that far away from the actual hotel. The water is watering, definitely very beautiful and stuff like that. Gorgeous vibe for sure. The hotel is right there, the ESJ hotel. So that is pretty much what the beach access looks like. So I guess you guys can definitely see for a fact, for sure, what to expect here. I know the wind is probably blowing too right now, huh? So I just talked to another guest at the hotel, and apparently there is like a couple things you can buy out here as far as like food and stuff. They got like coconuts and like alcohol, but I think they have it like separated pretty well. Like the place where the alcohol is like right over here to the right side when you first come out. You want to go get you some like drinks and stuff like that, go over here. Basically just follow. I'll show you guys. I'm taking you guys directly there right now. It's definitely dope. Oh, I thought you was like lost for a second. I'm walking, y'all. Give me a second. The sand kind of hard. Okay, so this is where you get those alcoholic drinks, apparently. With the water splashing. What did he say?
Usain Bolt's record got broken.
When was that?
I don't know.
It must have been today. Okay. Let me get a beef empanada. I'm gonna cash out you.
Cash out.
So beef empanada.
Okay.
And how much are these? Do you have pineapple drinks too?
Yes, I got that too.
How much are those?
All right. If you want it with alcohol, I do it for $17. If you want it without alcohol, it's $15.
I think I'm gonna pass then. Let's go get the beef empanada.
All right. You want barbecue sauce in this?
Yeah, you can put some on there. And I also do a beef empanada.
Right.
Dope.
And a coconut water to wash it down.
Want bill?
Yeah.
So this is pretty dope. So you can come get.
Along with the coconut water. No
Gracias. Wow. Is there any straws?
I might just have the beef mode.
You want to ask him, can you get a straw? Yeah. Can you ask him? Come on. Here. She just gave it straight to me like that. I'm sorry. You want to sit outside?
Are we trying to go up to the room?
I mean, we can. I guess. Or maybe we can. Well, I know you want to sit, huh? I was thinking we can go. If we gonna eat and mingle, we gonna walk around and man. This is so good. This is how you live life, my boy. Chicken empanada. I mean, my bad. Beef empanada with coconut water, freshly cut open. Put a straw in it and it's ready to go. With my boy, Javon.
Yo.
On the beach here in Puerto Rico.
This is the final moments of the San Juan saga. That's what I'll call it.
The Ken and Corey birthday trip.
But you know, this thing was very good. You know, unmatched vibe.
Right.
Anywhere you go in the Caribbean,
right.
The vibe is unmatched.
Exactly.
The whole nightlife scene was definitely turned up. We wish that certain scenes in the United States could still be like it is right now in Puerto Rico.
It's not though. Everything's all about the section culture. You don't get this type of vibe anywhere in Houston, like where you can just have an open-ended dance floor. Is that our hotel entrance up there? Well, I'm still kind of vibing outside. I mean, I just didn't want to be sitting over there, and plus we were next to like that trash. I guess people have to rent.
We can find another spot. Let's walk down the beach that way then.
We can. Is there anywhere to even like
Post up? Yeah, we could. We could just sit down on the sand somewhere down this way.
I ain't saying man, but I mean, I'll just stand up and eat my food. If you want to sit in the sand, I'll stand next to you while you sit.
I don't need to sit down.
I'm just saying, when it comes to posting up, I'm just thinking, that's what I think about when I think post up is like, but for me, just I really wish I could just like sit down on something.
Tripod.
Right. Or a table or a counter, something. Oh, they got the freaking, that's where the jet ski rentals are right there. Jet ski rentals. Oh, that's what the buoys are for, so you don't swim in there, because that's where all the boats and jet skis come up. That's what it is. I knew it had something to do with something. It's like, you know what I'm saying? That's a section you don't want to swim in, so they can, the watercraft can pull up. It does look like it's about to rain though. Crazy.
We've been coming across from the south for probably like 2 hours now. Still hasn't rained a drop.
It's definitely over that side though. Boy, digging into that beef empanada, huh? These birds do not care. Palm trees everywhere. On the way back to the hotel. And my boy Javon. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't as educational. It was more about just showing you guys what it's like outside to the beach entry access from the EJS hotel. If you guys liked the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. We're trying to get this travel channel really up and popping because I really want to use these videos to start to change my life, and I know it can. So hopefully if I help you guys can help me, and we go from there. All right guys, see you in the next video. Peace.